Need to know who made a change and when in your Case Management Hub account? The Audit Log gives account administrators a detailed record of user actions, helping improve accountability, security, and oversight. Let's take a quick tour. Staff with admin and account owner roles will find the Audit Log under Organization in the sidebar. The Audit Log tracks user activity throughout your Case Management Hub account. First, you'll see user name, then user role, action, page visited, date, time in, time out, duration, login location, IP address, browser and device. At the top, you can filter on a single user. You can also use the search. Down here at the bottom, you can show more entries per page. Let's say there was a client profile deleted and I'd like to see which user may have done that. I can go to Action and I can filter on Just Deleted. Now I'll be able to see they've deleted something and it was on the client profile page. I can also see the date and time. This also allows you to track whether a user has logged in recently. Here I can see a user that I've added to the system has not logged in yet. Depending on the length of time you've had your case management account, you may have thousands of pages of entries, especially if you have a lot of staff. So one tip for easy viewing of all the entries is to export them to Excel. You can also choose the columns you'd like to export. Actions can also be searched. And that's a quick overview of the Audit Log in the Case Management Hub. If you have any questions, reach out anytime.